Hello guys, welcome back with me. Now I'm gonna tell you about my worries about this assignment I got from Ustad Fikri. And I'm not judging. It's not that hard. Only uh, what do you say? Confusing. I get the replies to Tommy Cisco, but the Cisco letters is kinda crash, like it's gonna bugging and error. So on this assignment Ustad Fikri kinda messy. So if I will still gonna report about the video, gonna send my assignment. If the video is not approved by Ustad Fikri, maybe I will accept it, but I will also wanna say maybe if you give me a chance, I'm gonna make it again. But now on the peanut lab or KRS, because that will be easy for me and more uh, clearly, because it's not bugging, it's not erroring. Maybe I don't know, but it's more good than using that old Cisco routers. And the Cisco routers is kinda heavy, I carry that to the Cisco is so the this big more bigger. It's really heavy, like you're carrying one what you're carrying two PC, PC computer. That's kind of hard. But now, maybe I'm just chilling, and again I'm gonna maybe continue about my final project, and I will still study about MTCNA because I will take another chance of test on the next week, because on the last week I kinda to speed maybe speed run, and I not pass the test. By the way, and again, hello. By the way, I hope that the next assignment from Ustad Fikri is maybe kinda easy. Please reduce the effort, reduce or lower the effort, the hard difficulties, please. It's hard. I cannot. Maybe I don't know. At least that's what I was hoping. And maybe that is maybe in 3 minutes. I will see you in the next video. I'm gonna speed run about this video again. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.